So Valentine's is just around the corner, and let's say you're not with your special someone for Valentine's Day. Well, how do you make them feel special? Well, if you've already got a gift and a card planned out, there's one extra thing you can do to make it a little bit more special. Send a happy Valentine's Day video. And don't worry, even if you've never made a video before, I'm going to show you step by step how to make a Valentine's Day video for Valentine's Day. And if you don't want to follow the tutorial step by step, as you can see here, we have a bunch of different Valentine's Day templates that we can use to just click and create a Valentine's Day video from. And with that being said, link is in the description to get started, and we are actually just going to start from one of these templates. So once you're on VEED, we can go ahead and click on new project, and once we've clicked on new project, we can actually start our project from a template, so we're not starting from scratch. So like I mentioned, we can choose to start from scratch with a new blank project, or we can use a template. So we just click on use template, and then here we're going to go over to Valentine's Day at the top, and we have a bunch of different Valentine's Day templates in different aspect ratios and sizes. And so I just want to send a quick Valentine's Day message to a special someone, and what I can do is just select this template right here. So I'm a fan of this template, and if I select it, as you can see, I click start editing. We now have a project that opens up with this template, and if I drag my timeline up, we can see all of the elements that go into this video. So as you can see, any given point in time, I can click wherever to see exactly what the template looks like, and if I press play, as you can see, this could be a nice Valentine's Day video that I make. I could even share it on my story and also tag my partner. And you might be wondering, okay, Alec, this is great, but I want to make this my own. How do I do that? Well, watch this. First, in the timeline, I'm going to get rid of everything I don't want. So I just want this first section here from the template. So I'm just going to click and drag and actually just delete the rest of this. So right click, delete, because I only want this part right here. So now this audio at the bottom, I'm just going to drag it so it's the same length as my video. So now my video is going to end exactly right here. And as you can see, that's 9.4 seconds. So I'm going to click fit to timeline on the right over here. And as you can see, we can now edit it in detail. So as you can see, if it plays through, let's take a look at all the elements. So if I click and drag my playhead through, we've got two videos. We've got this video here, which is on top, and then this video at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to replace both of these. So this top video, I want to replace it with my own custom video. So what I'm going to do is click it and then scroll down in the bottom in the edit menu and click on replace video under media. So I select it. And then once I've clicked on replace video, I just click on upload a file, and here I can go and select a video from my desktop. So here I could go and upload a video of myself and my partner, or the special person that I'm sending this video to, just to make it a little bit more personal. However, for this tutorial, I'm not going to be doing that. I'm just going to choose this stock footage clip I have right here. So as you can see, I've clicked open, and now the video has been imported into my timeline. Now the thing is that it is a little bit long. First of all, I'm just going to readjust the length of my video. So I could choose to place the playhead and then split it, or I can just click and drag the end all the way until where I want it to stop. So I want it to stop at the same time as the other videos. Click and drag, and then as you can see, it just snaps to the end of everything else. And then I also want to make sure I drag it to the beginning, because I want it to start actually at the same time as the other video. So now, as you can see, it lasts throughout the entire video. Now, what I want to make sure I do, and you might want to make sure you do this, is mute the actual video right here. Now, the reason why is because I want to make this video at the bottom a custom video message that I'm going to send. So if I click on this one, we're going to do the same thing again, scroll down to the bottom and hit replace. Now this time, instead of clicking upload a file, I'm going to click record. And then I'm taken to this awesome screen and webcam recorder that I can go ahead and record my custom message. So let me just choose webcam only. Now I've got a second low quality webcam set up right here. Sorry for the mess in the background. Let me just twist this a little bit. There we go. That looks a little bit better. And I'm just going to stare into this camera, press play, and just record my message. So if I press play, hey there, I'm just recording this video to say happy Valentine's. So as you can see now, I've stopped this video, and the video actually isn't long enough. So there's a few things I could do here. I could make my overall video shorter, or I can go ahead and just replace the video again and just record it. Click start. So I can do as many takes as I need inside the editor. Hey everyone, my name's Alec, and in this video, I'm just going to wish you a happy Valentine's Day. Thank you for watching. So as we can see, I kind of freestyled that one a bit, and it wasn't really relevant, but I mentioned Valentine's Day anyway, so it works. Now here, what I want to do is actually make sure I recenter myself in the middle of the clip. So I can do that. Now if we watch it through. Hey everyone, my name's Alec, and what I can do is actually mute my audio if I want to. A happy Valentine's Day. Thank you for watching. Or I could just lower it a lot. So I'm gonna lower it to maybe like 5% so we can hear it like barely, and that way we can hear myself talking as well. And if I want, I can just click on the clip and show sound wave so I can see exactly where I'm talking. And at the end here, where I'm actually no longer talking, I might just trim this off to make the video a little cleaner, and then just drag it so it clips to the end, so the actual video message doesn't start until afterwards. And then I might just trim off the beginning here as well, and I might get a little bit creative. If I just drag this to the beginning, place my playhead here, and what I might add, so as soon as the video finishes, is some text. So if I click on text, add text, then I might just write Happy Valentine's Day. I'm going to change this text, make it a little bit bigger, place that right here, and we can't see it, so I have to change the color to white, but I could just also make it, you know, a little bit pinkish, make that a little bit bigger, just like so. I might actually change this color here to a pinkish Valentine's Day so it suits a little bit more. And then just as the finishing touch, what I might do is go into elements, and then let's see if we can find a nice little, well, we actually have the Tinder icon, Tinder logo, which I think is pretty funny. So I might just, you know, place that here because you got to swipe right on me, baby. With that being said, now I have my Valentine's Day video. Just before I export, as you can see, I've got the little text there, but the text at the end, I just want to make sure it appears at the right time. So as you can see, if it doesn't, I can just, again, just like any other element in the timeline, make it appear sooner or later. So if I want to make it appear over my face, I can do that. But, and I don't really like the look and the coloring of this. I think we can make it a little bit more aesthetic. So what I can do is go into filters, and let's just add a little filter on there. And we might even be able to add an effect. We have an effect related to Valentine's Day. Lens flare, no. Let's go Polaroid. No, I could do that. It's quite interesting though. Prisma, this one might be quite nice. Let's see what this just looks like. So press play. Hey everyone, my name's Alec, and okay, that actually looks quite good, except the color grading, I might need to turn that down quite a bit. There we go, that's perfect. A lovely Valentine's Day video. All I have to do now is click on export, and click on export video. VEED is then going to render my Valentine's Day video, and the magic is that I can send this to my special someone with just one link in just a few clicks. So here's my Valentine's Day video, let's listen. Hey everyone, my name's Alec, and in this video, I'm just gonna wish you a happy Valentine's Day. And then to share my Valentine's Day video, I can just click share, copy the link, and then send this link to whoever I want so they can watch my Valentine's Day video. And if they really want to, they can even leave some lovely comments on it. And that's how to make a Valentine's Day video. Thanks for watching.